Welcome back to My Classic Fords. So we're going up to the gravel pit to get a little topsoil. Gonna take the boys up. All right, let's go. All right, well that's like load number 5 of topsoil we brought down from the pit. And we just started to somewhat shake it out here, trying to do a little bit of landscaping around the side of the house. It's definitely not premium grade topsoil by any means. It's full of rocks and whatever else, but the price was right. It was pretty much free, other than the cost to move it. And it's pretty decent looking stuff. So, I'm gonna get that leveled out now. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I've been kind of pulling the rocks out as I go. I've just been kind of dragging them along with me. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just trying to establish the grade that I want. And essentially, I'm just going through, trying to pull all the big rocks out and trying to get it close to flat. And then we'll go back over it, level it off, and then I'll probably dress it with something a little bit finer, something with a lot less overburden and rocks in it. But this is how it's looking so far. All right, so I just finished roughly leveling out the few loads of topsoil we brought down. It's just roughed in for now. It's supposed to rain the next few days, and it's just getting to the point now where it's getting hard to see. It's just coming on dark, so I'm going to call it quits for the night. But you can see my topsoil is full of big rocks and sticks and little stumps, stuff like that. It's not the easiest stuff to work with. It's not the easiest stuff to level out and make it absolutely perfect, but At the end of the day, I drive on my lawn with cars, trucks, backhoes, four-wheelers. So I'm not really that concerned about it as long as it grows something green for grass. I put this rock up close to my house just to help keep the weeds under control. It makes it relatively easy to kind of pull the weeds and keep them away from the deck. On the other side there you can see a flower garden. So we're going to do the same thing on this side once we get it to the point where it's kind of leveled up. So for tonight, I'm pretty happy with what I got done. I was able to get a bunch of topsoil dug out of my pit, brought it down, got it kind of placed, got it roughly the grade that I'm looking for. So now what I'll do is I'll just keep kind of working it with the backhoe, kind of pulling the big rocks out, pulling the stumps out. When you're doing this stuff yourself, you can kind of do this, kind of afford to do it, I guess. If you hired somebody, you'd be better off just to buy good clean topsoil, but hey, I had the topsoil. I like playing with the old trucks, and the kids like it. And at the end of the day, it was a lot of fun. All right, guys, thanks for watching.